Hello, grade 11 learners. Today, we will discuss Senior High School General Mathematics about operation on functions. We will focus on addition and subtraction of functions. Let's start with addition of functions. So we have definition. Let f and g be functions. Their sum, denoted by f plus g, is the function denoted by the quantity f plus g of x, which is equal to f of x plus g of x. Take note, the quantity f plus g of x is just equal to f of x plus g of x. Example, given the functions f of x, which is equal to x plus 5, and g of x, which is equal to 2x minus 1. Now, determine the following functions. Number 1, the quantity f plus g of x. Number 2, the quantity f plus g of 3. Example number 1. The given functions are f of x, which is equal to x plus 5, and g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. We are going to find the quantity f plus g of x. So in the definition, this is just equal to f of x plus g of x. Now, we are going to substitute the value of f of x, which is x plus 5. Instead of f of x, we can have x plus 5, x plus 5, then copy the sign plus our g of x is just 2x minus 1, so we can have plus 2x minus 1. Now let us combine like terms. So we have x and 2x, that is just equal to 3x. Why 3? We have x. X is understood to have 1 in here as numerical coefficient. And then we have 2x, that is 1 plus 2, that is 3. Then copy the literal coefficient. We can have 3x. Then 5 plus negative 1, that is positive 4. Now, the quantity f plus g of x is just equal to 3x plus 4. Example number 2, we have to find the value of the quantity f plus g of 3. So the value of our x in here is 3. So we have the same given functions. By definition, this is equal to f of 3 plus g of 3. We will first solve f of 3. The given function is f of x, which is equal to x plus 5 in here. Since we're going to find f of 3, we'll simply substitute. So we have f of 3 So our x is 3. So 3 plus 5, which is equal to 8. Now our f of 3 is just equal to 8. Next, we're going to solve g of 3. Okay. G of 3. The given is g of x, which is equal to 2x minus 1. Since we're looking for g of 3, we can have g of 3 equals 2. Our x is 3, so we can have 3 substitution minus 1. Now 2 times 3, that is 6, minus 1, we have 5. So our g of 3 is simply equal to 5. Let's go back to our solution. The value of f of 3, again, that is 8. So we'll have 8 in here, plus g of 3, that is 5. So we have 5. 8 plus 5, we have 13. Therefore, the quantity f plus g of 3 is just equal to 13. Now, let's proceed to subtraction of functions. We have definition. Let f and g be functions. Their difference, denoted by f minus g, is the function denoted by the quantity f minus g of x equals f of x minus g of x. Take note, the quantity f minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Example, given the functions f of x equals x plus 5 and g of x equals 2x minus 1, determine the following functions. Number 1, the quantity f minus g of x, and number 2, the quantity f minus g of 3. We are going to find the quantity f minus g of x given the functions f of x, that is equal to x plus 5, and g of x equals 2x minus 1. In the definition, this is equal to f of x minus g of x. Now we'll have substitution. F of x is equal to x plus 5. We have x plus 5 minus our g of x is equal to 2x minus 1. So we have 2x minus 1. Just copy x plus 5 and then distribute the negative sign, that is negative 2x that is plus 1. Again, that is just simply negative times positive 2x, that is negative 2x, and then negative times negative 1, that is positive 1. Okay? Now, combined like terms, x minus 2x. We have, again, the numerical coefficient of x is 1. So, 1 minus 2. That is negative 1. Copy x. 5 plus 1, that is 4. Or simply, this one, just write negative x plus 4. Now, f minus g of x is just equal to negative x plus 4. Example number 2. Given the same functions, let's get the value of the quantity f minus g of 3. So using the definition, that is simply equal to f of 3 minus g of 3. Now we will first find the value of f of 3 and g of 3. Okay, let us find f of 3 using the given function f of x, which is equal to x plus 5. Since our x is 3, simply do substitution. You have 3. X is 3 plus 5. Now, f of 3 is just equal to 3 plus 5, that is 8. How about g of 3? The given function is g of x, which is equal to 2x minus 1. So we have g of x equals 2x minus 1. Our x is 3, so we have g of 3 is equal to 2 times 3, our x minus 1. 2 times 3, that is 6 minus 1. Then 6 minus 1, we have 5. Now our g of 3 is just equal to 5. So back to our solution. Our f of 3, again, f of 3 is, we have 8. So this is 8. And then minus g of 3, we have 5. So we have 5. Now, 8 minus 5, of course, this is 3. So we can have the quantity f minus g of 3, which is just equal to 3. Did you follow? If you have questions, type it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.